What is up, Zoto fam? Just some update and what happened. Anyways, I'm outside because Garfield is so dirty ba? Look. Oh, so dirty. Mag-motor wash ko. Tapos, mag-go tayo. Linis na siya. That's my drink. Have some Alfredo. Oh. Look at the place. So nice. Hey. That is so awkward. It's so funny, man. I like it. I think I'm gonna go here more often. Yeah, very chill lang. Wala masyadong tao. Tsaka, as in, puro halaman talaga, literal. Super nice. Brown sugar and cinnamon, which is two things that I like on my coffee. Which is brown sugar and cinnamon. So, today's video, I just went to nagapunta ako og Starbucks. There's a lot of people here. What the fuck? I'm just at Starbucks as usual. Just recently na ginagawa ko to ba? Yung old base neto. Oh, that's good. Grabe sunog ko, oh. There's nothing crazy, really. It's just work, home, work, home. Si Sir Ed nagaya yesterday, pero nakatulog siya. So, wala pa akong kain buong araw, grabe. Good. Kuya Neil, my friend, dropped by sa Starbucks. Tapos, kasi, parang ilang beses na siyang late every time mag-meet up ba. Parang ilang beses na siyang late. Sabi, he wanna make it up to me daw. So, punta siya sa Starbucks. Tapos, nanlibre siya ng pares. Tapos, oh my God, natumba yung motor ko.
Nadaganan ka ba? Kaya mo?
Ayaw na mag-start. Ay, nakaano pala. Nag-atras ako, tapos sumuot yung pa ako doon sa kanal ba. That's okay. I'm kinda used to it. I'm just glad I didn't hit a car. Kasi parang may katabi akong car nun. Hindi ko mapakita yung buong video. Okay sana eh. Yeah, okay sana yung video. Pero ayaw ni Kuya Neil na masali sa video. So, I have some short clips. Pero, I'll cover his face.
Pili ko kahit naka-air 3 ako maiiwan ko pa din. Hindi kasi ako may over din.
So, dapat magpagas lang ako sa C5. Hala, nakaladkad sa Tagaytay, nakakainis. Pero it was fun. Super nice. Pagkain niyo,
No! Dami niya may aso kasi.
Tapos, there's a tambike on one of the groups that I'm in. It's like a small tambike. It was nice. Hello, nothing much really though. Yeah. Kasama ko sila Alex ba? Laging saan kami napapadpad eh. Ayan. So, si BTL. Tapos, nagkain pa kami ng lugaw.
Nabutan ka ng ulan. Nabutan ka na ng ulan.
Oh my God!
Kumusta? Lagay mo dun sa loob. Okay na.
Sayang kasi yung ride namin from CBTL papunta ng Lugawan, it's so good, man. Nakakainis kasi si Kuya Kyle, nawala siya. Naligaw si Gago, puta. Pagdating sa akin, low-bat na ni Mal. Super good talaga yung ride from Vermosa going to the Lugaw place. As in, rat-rat talaga ang lala. Grabe. Parang imagine niyo yung Imus. Di ba yung road sa Imus? Tapos 150 yung takbo namin. Putang ina talaga. Literal na street racing. Sabi ko sa kanila, ang hangan yung Alfredo. Di man tumanghang. Tingnan mo tong topak ng ng Smart. Kanina dapat mag-bank transfer ko. Tapos ayaw mag-send ng OTP. Parang Mag 1 hour ago na. Ngayon ko lang na-receive yung message. What the fuck? Mag 1 hour ago na yun. Ngayon lang ma-receive yung message. Since nakakainis ba? So, earlier, kailangan ko pang maglabas. Like, ang layo na inikot ko earlier para lang mag-withdraw ba? Hassle. Kasi I was looking earlier. May signal man siya. Pero, hindi ko nare-receive yung message. Nakainis. Oh, also, I'm gonna show you something. Baby left me some of his t-shirts. Pero, hindi ko siya masuot kasi some of them, hindi siya bagay sa akin. So, ang ginawa ko siyang jacket. Hold on. T-shirt niya to. Lagyan ng long sleeves. May hood. Super nice. I love it. Yeah. I love my baby. Smell good. Kasi yesterday, I was ako magpunta sa park ba? Takong tagi-guesser. Kasi ayun lang naman napuntahan kong park ever. Tapos, ay naku, nakita ko ang baby yesterday, man. Magpunta si Kuya Neil, man. Sabay-sabay ng biro lang daw. Anyways, ayun lang yung nare-recap ko. Ano yan? Ang Kuya Kyle, nag-vlog takeover kasi nagpa-shoot siya sa akin nun sa Shell. Kaki kasi yung taong yun eh. Parang masyadong bagong linis siya kasi yung motor niya. So, binabrag-brag niya sa akin kahapon. I mean, isang araw.
Hey guys, what is up for today? I'm with Yoshi. Ano man? Look at that. Grabe, apakalinis. Tingnan mo yung chain ko. Oh. Tingnan mo yung mags. Oh. Damn. Cut mo yun.
Send ko sa kanya.
Akala ko, pag M, naked. Pag S, sports. Okay.
Yung M version is yung winner.
Ah, okay. So yan, magpa-podcast muna kami.
Anyways, realizations. Second, try not to think about fuck. Try not to care what other people thinks, what other people would feel. Yeah. Just be happy, man. Yeah. Just try to be happy always. Okay? Yeah. Find peace. Second, if mahal nyo, okay lang na mag-away kayo. Kahit gaano pa karaming beses yan. As long as hindi kayo mapagod sa isa't isa. And the end of the day, you go home to each other. You say sorry. And you fix things. Yan lang. Yeah. That's my realization of the day. Don't waste time, man. There. Again, Yoshi Shinoda, out.